Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the TV is on, connected to your home network, and that your Bluetooth device is charged and in pairing mode. Once done, press Home and open Settings, because Android hides Bluetooth under Remote and Accessories or Connected Devices on many Tcl models. Make sure you use the TV remote and not an app for first-time pairing. You'll see a list or an option to add accessory. Select that to begin scanning and prepare the external device to be discoverable. Next, you choose Add Accessory or Pair New Device so the TV begins scanning. When your device name appears, select it and accept pairing prompts. Some devices require confirming a PIN, so make sure the numbers match. If it fails, toggle Bluetooth off and on in settings, or restart both the TV and accessory, because transient state errors are common. While scanning, keep the accessory close and avoid other active Bluetooth sources. Proximity improves success and reduces interference during the handshake. Finally, after pairing, you may need to set the accessory as the default audio output or remote control within the device settings so the TV consistently uses it. If audio stutters or control fails, unpair and repair. Select Forget or Unpair and run the pairing again. One key troubleshooting tip: if connections repeatedly fail, power cycle the TV, check for Android firmware updates, and clear Bluetooth cache and app settings. This often resolves persistent pairing conflicts and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.